Mom, Dad, I really want to use the bathroom.
Come on, Arjun.
Dad, I think the door is stuck.
Read carefully, Arjun. What does it say?
Oh, it says push, and here I am pulling for the past 5 minutes.
Well, at least you came out the right way. Oh, since we already are here and talking about doors, I want you to notice something. Look closely at the hinges on the door. Why do you think these hinges are needed?
Well, I think without these hinges, the door will just fall, or maybe just not be able to move at all.
That's true. But believe it or not, the real reason is way simpler than you thought. These hinges are actually there to help the door open and close, or in other words, move back and forth.
Do we have joints like these in our body?
Exactly. You're getting the grip. We do have joints that help our body move back and forth, and these joints are called the hinge joint.
Oh, so hinge joints are those joints in our body that help the parts of our body move back and forth.
Yes, let's perform an activity, shall we?
Yes, Dad.
Alright, listen to the instructions carefully. We will examine the motion that a hinge joint enables. You will require a piece of cardboard, chart paper, a pencil, and a pair of scissors.
That's quite the list. What to do with them?
First things first, we will make a cylinder from the chart paper. After that, you will take the pencil and pierce it right in the center of the cylinder. After that, with the cardboard, you will make a hollow half cylinder. But keep in mind, this half cylinder needs to be cut out such a way that the rolled cylinder fits perfectly into it. Now, you will try to move the rolled up cylinder and see what you notice.